Today I'll be showing you how to use your Android phone as a remote for your Android TV. I'm also going to be showing you some useful settings you can apply for a better experience. Alright, so the app we're going to be using is this one called Remote for Android TV. So you can find it in the Play Store. When you head over to the Play Store, just search for Remote for Android TV and install it. And after you're done installing, you tap Open. So after opening it, it's going to start searching for your TV. Make sure your phone and the TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Alright, so now we're going to move to my TV. So my TV is already connected to the Wi-Fi network. This is the only part that you're going to need your remote to use. Unfortunately, if you don't have a remote, you will not be able to access these settings unless your TV automatically connects to your Wi-Fi network. So with that said, you can see that my phone is also connected to the same Wi-Fi network called SO. What I need to do next is tap on choose a TV, and the app is going to search for my TV. I'll tap connect. So the TV has brought a code. I'm going to enter the code here. So this is the code on my phone and it's the same on the TV. Alright, so it has been paired. If I want, I can give this TV a nickname. Next, I'll close this, and from here I can start using my phone to control the TV. Alright, so for some settings you can apply, just head over to settings by tapping here. And then for remote layout, I'll recommend tapping this, and you can switch between the trackpad or the touchpad and the D-pad. So normally I'll recommend using the D-pad so that when you want to switch between channels or you want to navigate, you can tap on these arrows to navigate easily. Okay, I'm going to head back to settings again, and there's also the remote behavior. I'll recommend you enable smooth press. This way, when you long press on anything like the volume button, you don't have to keep tapping it for the volume on your TV to increase. You just need to tap and hold and it's going to keep increasing. Alright, so that's how you use your Android device to control your Android TV. If you found the video helpful, please like and subscribe. I'll be seeing you in the next video. Ask me any questions you may have. Take care and bye-bye.